What is up, amigos? This is Emjae Fotos and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be climbing up and down the Mount Faber Loop. So, starting from the West Coast Highway, we will enter the Morse Road, then turn left to Pender Road, which is the start of the uphill climb towards the Mount Faber Loop. Then passing by Mount Faber Park, which is gonna be the start of your descent to complete your loop. You can do a few rounds on this Mount Faber Loop or exit back towards the West Coast Highway. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Ready? Let's go. Okay. Ready? Pender Road. Okay. Sorry. We're gonna take it slow, guys. We're not gonna force it, because I know this is still a long climb, so we're gonna do it slow and steady. So sorry, guys, this is my first time, and I don't even know if I'm physically fit to do this. Just bear with me. So it is a Saturday afternoon. I don't see any other cyclists around. I think most of the cyclists come here during early in the morning, maybe, or maybe later. I think that is the exit. Later, the road here is one way. This one way towards the top, and one way going back. So this part is not. It's quite normal. Okay, there it is. Those are the seasoned cyclists. For us, since we're just a beginner, we're gonna take it slow. Okay. Okay, I think I need a head start.
rather steep curve. But anyway, let's not push it. Just take it easy. Oh, is this the top already? That's good. That's not bad. That wasn't a bad climb. So I'm just gonna continue the loop first. I'm gonna complete the loop first before I visit the Mount Faber Park. That's it. So now it's easily all descending. This is fun. Woo. Now I understand why cyclists love to do some loops here, because it's fun. After you climb up, then it's gonna be just all the way straight down, descending. I'm kind of worried about my handlebar mount because it's bouncing a lot. So let's try to keep it steady. This is so fun. And I guess that's it. That completes one loop, I guess. You can go to the left and exit to West Coast Highway, or go for another round to the right. Well, let me just exit and complete one loop from West Coast Highway end to end. And then we're gonna climb up again and explore the Mount Faber Park. I want to visit the, what do you call this? The cable car station for Mount Faber. And then we're gonna try and visit the Henderson Wings. That's it. We are about to exit towards West Coast Highway. So guys, what do you think? How many loops do you usually get when you try the Mount Faber Loop? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos uploaded every week. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. This is Emjae Fotos. Salamat, amigos.